Hey folks, my name is Bill Armstrong. I thought I'd put together a very quick introductory video to welcome you to this online math class. So first off, welcome to the online math class. And again, my name is Bill Armstrong, so you kind of see what I look like. The next thing I'd like to talk about are expectations. Expectations of you as being an online math student. It's a little different than maybe in classroom, a traditional class. One of the expectations that I have for you is that you can follow directions clearly. So written directions you can follow clearly. When I ask you to do something, that you can follow through on what I ask you to do. That you can read things clearly and follow the directions. Bottom line is, you are, whether it's a traditional class or an online class, you are responsible for your own learning, and that expectation is still true in an online format. I'm going to have high expectations for you, and please make sure you follow all directions. That you'll find in the e-text, online quizzes, or of me in weekly announcements, emails, etc. Next thing I'd like to talk about is upcoming emails. First and foremost, you need to be using your Lakeland email account. If you're not into the habit already of checking your college email account, get into that habit now. The way professors are going to communicate to you, whether it's an online class or a traditional class, at Lakeland or at a university, communication is going to be done via email. It's just an excellent habit to get into, to check your college email account on a daily basis so you don't miss any important information. When you send me an email, I really need you to use your Lakeland email account to send me an email. I really don't know who Superstar Soccer 13 is, if that's maybe your personal email account, but when I see a Lakeland email account, I know it's from a Lakeland student, and I'll definitely be reading it then. If it's Superstar Soccer 13, I may not read it. I may think it's just some sort of spam. So please use your Lakeland email account. More on emails. What you are going to receive from me here shortly, and this is going to happen before the official first day of classes, I'm going to send you a total of 3 introductory welcome to the class emails. In the first email, which will be titled something like, Getting Started Email Part 1, it'll be an email welcoming you to the class, and it will have an important PDF attachment to it. Please make sure that you look at the PDF attachment, print it out if necessary. Then the next day, and again, these are all going to come before the first official day of class, I'm going to send you a second email on getting started. It also will have a PDF attachment. It's going to be a different one, different PDF attachment than from the first email. This will be a really important PDF attachment. It's going to have things in it such as the course ID number. You're going to need that for registering at MyMathLab, which I'm going to talk about here in a minute. Then the third and final getting started email that I will send you, I'm going to have a link to a YouTube screencast I'm going to make highlighting all the wonderful features of MyMathLab. So those will be 3 emails you are going to get before the official first day of class. Hey, I just mentioned MyMathLab, so let's talk about MyMathLab right now. MyMathLab is what I'm going to use for delivery of all the course content. The Lakeland Blackboard site is not going to be used for course content delivery. In fact, this might be the only thing you see on the Lakeland Blackboard site, is this introductory welcome video. MyMathLab is a wonderful course content. It's a wonderful delivery system. Things that you're going to see at the MyMathLab, you're going to see our e-text. You're going to see that's where I'm going to have your online quizzes. That's where you can find the list of your homework problems. That's where you will find the answers to all your homework problems. That's where I'm going to put the the course syllabus, the academic calendar. It's everything. Everything is included at the MyMathLab site, which is why in the third email that I send you, I'm going to have a link to a YouTube video. It's a YouTube screencast showing you how to work around the MyMathLab site. I'm going to highlight all these wonderful features that you will find at the MyMathLab site. So that's why, again, that'll be on the third email that I send you. And, that's pretty much it. I said it was going to be a brief welcome to the online math course video. One, you can see what I look like. In closing, folks, I really can't stress enough how important communication is. And, I try to lay everything out in the syllabus, and I'll have an online orientation. I put everything out there for you. So chances are, if you have a question, it's going to be answered in the syllabus. I'm talking about the question about the course itself. If you have a math-specific question, well, obviously that wouldn't be in the syllabus. That's where you will see some of the wonderful features at MyMathLab to help you try to work through any difficulties you may have. But at the same time, you can send me an email. As I keep mentioning email. One more time, I cannot stress enough getting into the habit of checking your Lakeland email account daily. But that's kind of it for this brief introductory video. Be on the lookout for these upcoming emails I'm going to send you. One more time, you're going to get a total of 3 emails on getting started in the course before the actual first day of the course. Email 1 will have a PDF attachment that will be important. Email 2 will have a second PDF attachment that will be really important. And then email 3 will be a link to a YouTube video I'm going to make for you showing you how to navigate the MyMathLab site so you can learn the material and hopefully be very successful in the class. Finally, welcome to the class, and thanks for watching.